I just want to thank you for taking the time to watch this video. It means a lot to me. Thank you for being here. Welcome to the 12K and growing. Oh my God, when are we going to hit 15K? That's exciting. So, yeah, enjoy this video. I will be bringing you more. If you are a jewelry lover, this is the place for you. You are in the right place. And welcome aboard. Yeah. All right, so we are jumping right on in with glorious purpose. Shout out to fellow Loki fans. Look at this. Look at this ring. Look at the cutting on this stone, guys. I'm not going to say too much about this, but look at her. Pride and joy. She's so beautiful. This was purchased at the end of last year. So pretty. Oh my God. Just a moment of silence here. Okay, so I did purchase these stack rings. So I'm only showing you one, but there are two of each. So there are two of these. A thin stack ring. So I thought that was really pretty. It's a half eternity band. And you'll see a different band coming up. So I got two of these. And then I got larger ones. So this is also a stack ring. And there are two of these, but I'm just showing you one. And these are going to be great to play with other rings that I already have. And I can wear them solo as well, but I just thought this would be fun. So guys, I'm going to show you some different stones in this video. Look at this. So what do you think this is? It's beautiful. That's what it is. Classic, beautiful. This is moissanite, guys. It's moissanite. So as I've been saying in past videos, I went on a moissanite shopping spree. Not everything in this video is moissanite, but a good chunk of it will be. And this is one of the moissanite pieces. So cool. This is also moissanite. It matches my diamonds by the yard pieces. And in this video, I'll show you guys moissanite and some other stones as well, natural and not. And there are quality differences. So look at that. This is not moissanite, but this is so gorgeous. This is so sexy. I had to get this. Like I saw this and I had to get it. So what this is you slip it on your finger and then you clasp it on your wrist. It's so playful, so sexy. Look at that. I'm going to flip over that other stone. It's upside down. But yeah, that part goes on the finger and the other part goes on the wrist. I will model it. This is one of the sexiest thing I've ever seen. And this is in vermeil. So everything in this video is in precious metals, just so you know. Absolutely gorgeous. I didn't feel like clasping it all the way, but it kind of goes like this. So that part goes over the hand and the rest would go on the wrist like a regular bracelet. It's all one piece. It's beautiful. So beautiful. So happy to have that in precious metal. So then look at these earrings. Again, I did buy some pricey things. And yeah, I don't know. I just did. Look at these. These are gorgeous. And I guess they'd be like huggies, sort of. They're beautiful. They're beautiful, and I will flash a little bit of the information on them in a second. Again, I don't really go into too much detail. Honestly, you guys have seen about 80 to 85% of my jewelry collection, which is crazy. I never thought I would even show that much of it, but there is a playlist on my YouTube channel. Check out my channel page if you want to see all of my jewelry videos. Quick flash. There you go. There you go. Just a quick flash of some information there. So let's see what else I've got here. So this is a CZ in vermeil, and it's an oval. It's pretty cute. It was inexpensive, and I just wanted it because it was bezel set and oval. Oval is not really my jam, but wanted to try it. Oh, and before I forget, this is the ring that I'm wearing today. I dug this out for Valentine's Day. Beautiful puffy heart. This looks like diamond, doesn't it? It's not. These are garnets. These are natural garnets from the earth, and these are the bracelets I'm wearing today. But just so you guys can see, really pretty bracelets. But yeah, this is a garnet ring. So pretty. Moving on. Now look at these heart-shaped studs. Guys, these are moissanite. They are moissanite. Now, I will say moissanite is not cheap, especially for it to be a lab-grown stone. It's kind of pricey. But look at these. It's still less expensive than a diamond, of course. Look at them. So beautiful. And now look at this ring. Now this is also moissanite, but you can kind of see like a slight quality difference. It's beautiful, but it's nowhere near as flashy as the earrings that I just showed. So there are differences in the quality when it comes to moissanite. However, this is still beautiful and it looks exactly like a diamond. It really does. Look at this piece. I bought this because of the twisted band and I thought it would stack nice with other rings. Look at this stone. Absolutely gorgeous. Look at her. This is a video for the jewelry lovers. Like seriously, it really, really is. If jewelry is your thing, you're going to love this video. And I hope you share it with other people as well. Okay, now look at these beauties. These are moissanite. And I'm gonna, hold on, let me get a better close up here. These are moissanite, ladies. So if you haven't tried moissanite, I definitely suggest you do. If you want to step it up a little bit from cubic zirconia, try moissanite. Definitely. You can even get it from Ross Simon's. Ross Simon's is a great place for moissanite. Shop HQ also is a great place for moissanite. But you can pretty much find moissanite almost anywhere now. Look at that. Now this is not moissanite. I wonder if any of you know what this is. Now, this is in solid gold. Can you tell me what this is? I'll give you a couple of seconds. This is the sparkliest stone in the world, and it is called Strontium titanate. And the only place I know where to get this is JTV, Jewelry Television Network. Incredible. These are moissanite. And I picked these up because they look very similar to the earrings that I purchased from Vanacat Simeon. Again, I think I will do videos comparing. The top quality CZs do hold a candle to moissanite. I will put that out there. So you'll see. I will do videos about that. Well, look at this ring. Now this is a moissanite as well. And I think it depends on what cut and what stones you get. Like, see how those rounds pop, but the center stones just don't have the same fire. And remember, these stones are graded, so there's different grades. So you might want to shop around for your moissanite, especially because I don't think it's an inexpensive stone. I just don't. Anyway, not moissanite. This is just a regular bracelet. Cute little bracelet that I purchased, very dainty, because after buying such pricey items, I was like, let me buy something inexpensive. And so that's that. That's in vermeil. Now this is moissanite. I hope you can see the color of it. I will pan back down. This is like a minty green kind of color. It's very nice. And honestly, I have seen diamonds in this color in person. When diamonds are colored and they're natural, they are a pastel color. So this is really cool. Look at this. Beautiful. I did pick up this bracelet to match my other rose gold jewelry. So that was a nice score. Beautiful, simple, sweet, dainty. This is about a quarter of a carat, maybe half a carat. Now this is moissanite. Again, this is like a teal, greeny, bluey aqua color, which a diamond in this color would be an absolute fortune. Like you're looking at 6 figures most likely for a diamond this quality, this color, natural, untreated. And I picked up this ring. So pretty. Now this is a set of 2. Like that thin band on top is actually a stacked band that goes with it. Beautiful. I felt like trying more marquee cuts. I don't know what's up with that, but lately I've been wanting more marquee cuts. I don't know why. It's funny because that's my mother's favorite cut on a diamond is a marquee. It's never been my favorite, but lately I've been gravitating towards it, as shown by this. Now this is, dun, 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 it's a strontium titanate. Literally, ladies, scientifically, the sparkliest stone you can get in the world is strontium titanate. I wish more people sold it. If you're interested, go to jewelrytelevision.com because they're the only ones that have it. I picked up this dainty little bracelet and I thought it was really, really cute. I'm panning over to show you the flip side. Look, it's a surprise on the back. When you flip it over, it's a little smiley face, so it's reversible. Totally reversible. Now, back to moissanite. Again, it's like a blue color, and I went to a gem show years ago and I did see natural diamonds this color. And you talk about pricey. Ugh. So when I saw this in Moissanite, I was like, let me try this. And I like it. I really like it. You will see matching pieces in another video. Now this is just vermeil with cubic zirconia, if I'm not mistaken. Hopefully I didn't get it mixed up with anything. Very cute, a little bar bracelet. Sweet, dainty, will layer perfectly, will stack, will look good on its own. Cute. Now look at this. Now this is a pear shape and this is moissanite. Now, usually when I'm purchasing diamonds, I don't tend to gravitate towards pears, ovals, or marquees, except I do have a diamond marquee ring. I do, but normally I don't gravitate towards those shapes in a diamond when I am using my own money. But look at that. So when I saw this in moissanite, I was like, let me try it. So this is a classic round. This is moissanite, and I have two of these. I got two to stack them. And they're beautiful. They're absolutely beautiful. I am so pleasantly surprised with moissanite, and I really think that the prices will continue to drop as more manufacturers make them. I think the prices are going to come down. So very pleased with this purchase. If you love jewelry, you have to give moissanite a try. I'm not paid or sponsored. I'm just putting it out there. So yeah, this is an oval and it's moissanite because I would not buy this in diamond with my own money anyway. I mean, if any of you want to give me this in diamond, please email me. But yeah, isn't that pretty? It's really pretty. And I think it's like a 5-carat stone or something like that. And look at that. This one is a moissanite. So all the other marquees were strontium titanate. This one is a moissanite. And it's really pretty. And I love the setting on it. I don't know what's with me and marquee cuts lately, but yeah. And again, I have a diamond marquee ring, but I don't know. So cool, right? I really like it. Up next, look at this bracelet. I am not saying a word. It's heavy. I love it. This was purchased locally. Oh, she's a beauty. She's a beauty. Look at that. Lately, I've been really attracted to bezel set stones. I don't know why. I don't know what that's about, but yeah. And last but not least, guys, now I just wanted to show you, this is a moissanite and it's a pear, but the quality is just not up to par compared to the ones I just showed you. So there are different qualities and grades of moissanite, just so you know. Anyway, thank you all for watching. There's more to come. I do have more moissanite. Some of these pieces have matching pieces. Make sure you're subscribed. Hit that notification bell. Love you, love you, love you. And yeah, bye, Glamazons. Bye.